Assalaamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Moga Lifestyle. I hope you guys are having a good week, inshallah. Today is a video I am very excited to make because I have a few announcements. So stay tuned until the end for that. For today, we're doing a bit of Ramadan preparation along with visiting a place I've been wanting to check out for the longest time. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I start off praying and feeding my handsome little boy, Kobe. For those who don't know, we named him Kobe because we got him the same day the NBA player Kobe Bryant died. And all of my boys love basketball, so they kind of made a stick. As you can see, the kids were determined to play in the snow. I was definitely against it at first, but after being asked for what felt like the millionth time, I finally gave in. Later on, we stopped to grab some food and look at this robot bringing the meals. Subhanallah, I was honestly so amazed. It was such a cool experience. After that, we headed to Costco for some grocery shopping. And wow, groceries have become so expensive. I spent a little over $400, and honestly, I doubt this will even last a full month. It's crazy to think how far $400 used to go. Once we finished there, we finally made our way to the Wayfair outlet, a place I've been wanting to visit for so long. They have such beautiful pieces, still pricey, but definitely more reasonable compared to other stores. I'm still dreaming about owning a massage chair one day. You can see the family doing some very serious testing here. After a long day of running around, we stopped for some food before calling it a day and heading home. Alright guys, if you guys have watched my last video, I told you guys that I made a cookbook, and alhamdulillah, I finally have it ready to go, and it will be available February 15th, inshallah. I will be available on my YouTube channel as well as my social media pages. It's titled 30 Days, 30 Meals, and it will be on sale for $9.99. I tried not to charge a lot, and on top of that, 70% of all the proceeds will be donated during Ramadan. So not only will you guys be getting some amazing food and new meals for every day of Ramadan, you're also investing into your akhirah, because this will be a form of zakat for everyone. If you have any suggestions for organizations or causes we can donate to, please leave them in the comments below. May Allah make things easier for those who are struggling and accept from all of us. Ameen. And truly, thank you all so much for your continued support. Without you, none of this would be possible. I will always strive to use this platform in a way that benefits others. That's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.